Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to purchase Nexo on Changelly. So here we are on changelly.com and you just come here on the homepage, click on buy. So we click here to choose our currency on this drop down. So we'll stick with the US dollars, enter the amount of dollars you want to spend, let's say $100. Then I want you to change the currency, okay? So the cryptocurrency will change it right here. Just search up Nexo. You'll see how much you'll receive. This is on the Ethereum network. And then you'll be able to view the offers. So this country is not supported, but I'll show you with a different one. Let's say Bitcoin, because the process remains the same, okay? So you've chosen Nexo. If you're in the supported country, you click here on view all offers. You'll see the best rate. Usually it's at the top. But if you're paying with a different payment method, let's say you want PayPal, right? You click PayPal, you'll see all the options for PayPal, for Revolut as well. We have three. We have MoonPay, we have Topper, and Paybis. So let's say you want to use Revolut and you'll pay using the service provider MoonPay. You choose that option and then you move to the next step. And here you paste your destination address. Okay, in your case, do Nexo. I'll just use Bitcoin as an example. So our wallet address right there. Go ahead, click on next step, and they'll redirect you to MoonPay, where you basically need to log in or you create an account. Okay, then you pay through here, right? There you go. Just need to go ahead and add some personal information and where we reside, because I already created an account. Okay, and then you pay. So basically, you come here. The final step is the payment, and then they will go ahead and send you your Bitcoin to that address. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.